and amazing people. You are welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for your love and your support. I really appreciate you all. Today's video, we are making Zobo drink. Zobo drink. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, consider subscribing. Like, comment and share. Thanks so much. So this is the hibiscus flower that we're going to be using for the Zobo drink. So I'm going to put some water in the pot, and I'm going to wash the Zobo, the hibiscus flower, before putting it in the pot. It's been properly washed. I'm putting it in the water in the pot. I have raisins here. I'm going to soak it with water. I have my pineapple here, so I'm going to peel it off the camera. So I soaked the raisins, so I'm going to blend it. I peel the pineapple as well, so I'm going to blend the raisins and the pineapple. I'm going to blend it together with ginger. I have my ginger here, so I'm going to peel it off and then blend it together. So I'm going to put the raisins now in the blender. To add water. I'm going to add water to it for easy blending. So this is the raisins and the pineapple. So I'm going to pour it here. And then I have my ginger. I'm going to blend it with the pineapple. ginger and the pineapple. So I'm blending the last one. So add water. So we pour it inside the pot. So I have 2 oranges here. I'm going to squeeze it out. I don't put sugar in my Zobo drink, not at all. I'm going to pour the orange. And then wait for it to boil. Our Zobo is ready. Ready. So I'm going to filter it. I have what I'm going to use here to filter it. Yeah. You can serve it hot or cold. I have my blueberry powder here. You can make your own or you can buy it. So I'm going to add it to it before sieving it. So you can have a look. I'm going to stir it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. God bless. Bye.